Let's go! Let's go Dispatch, le fameux jeu. Ah, une collaboration avec Critical Role. Ça me dit quelque chose. Critical
Obviously,
Role.
I love him. He's my dad. What does that mean? Just say what you want to say.
It's just, when you add obviously, it feels a little less obvious. So, I'll ask again. How do you really feel about your father? It's as if maybe it's a little more complicated than you feel comfortable admitting, which is completely understandable.
Il est parti.
Look, he's gone.
That's a bit of an understatement.
How so?
Well, he's more than gone, because he's fucking dead. That's the most gone you can be.
Just so sensitive. Listen, if I didn't love him, we wouldn't be here, right?
We don't have to get into it.
Nope, we're in it now. Why would I be trying to find the man who killed him if I didn't love him? Why would I be doing any of this? Shit. My nose is bleeding. Thought I was getting emotionally snotty.
No, it's probably from when I kicked you in the face.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me. So, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna hang you off the side of this building, and you're gonna tell me where Shroud is, or I'm going to drop you to your death.
Come on, I thought we were having a breakthrough.
Hey, we did. You know, for being a real piece of shit, you're pretty easy to talk to, but the only breakthrough I need right now is the location of Shroud.
I'm not telling you shit, you fucking loser!
See, this is more like how I thought this would go.
I hope Shroud kills you just like he killed your father. I hope he fucking spanks your little daddy issue bitch ass to death, you hear me? Are we outside?
Windy up here tonight, huh?
Why are we outside?
No telling where you'll
It
land.
smells like outside smells. Fuck, 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 wait, wait,
Hey,
wait,
I
wait!
have neighbors. Use your inside voice and just tell me where Shroud is.
Okay, okay, steel mill, Llewellyn Steelworks, okay? Fuck!
You sure about that?
Yes, please, that's all I know!
Stop screaming, God damn it.
Help! Help!
Hey, I will pull you up if you quiet the fuck down.
Help!
Je vais le remonter.
Honestly, it was nice talking to someone about this stuff. I guess what I'm saying is, I'm really glad I kidnapped you tonight.
Le sang est fort. Coucou le cheval au gris. Bienvenue sur le live, j'espère que tu t'y sentiras bien. Prends tes aides, installe-toi, hein. Prends-toi une petite boisson chaude. Un petit plaid. Je m'en tais, c'est la cinématique.
He's here!
C'est tellement immersif. Oh, j'ai raté. Ok, le gameplay. C'est fort le son, je trouve. Un peu. Je sais pas si c'est fort à la réception, mais chez moi, c'est fort. Je vais mettre à 58%. Ok, bien mieux. WASD. Ah, c'est pas du tout les touches qui m'intéressent. Ok.
Time to finish this.
Saisissez le code pour activer le nœud. Ah oui, alors je sais pas, vraiment le pire choix. Ok. Pour l'instant, c'est faisable.
All right. And a swish.
C'est le gameplay du jeu.
Alright, next one.
Le jeu n'est que ça. De belles cinématiques et ce gameplay. Ok. Ah oui. Ok, tout fait sens.
Just one more.
Énorme. C'est assez énorme pour l'instant.
Fuck yeah.
Ok.
All right, got it.
Guider l'avatar vers le bas pour terminer l'infiltration. Et voilà, parfait. Putain, ça me fait un peu chier de devoir faire en temps réel.
Can I get a copy of that video when we're through here?
C'est fini, Spectre.
Because it's over, Shroud. And it would be nice to watch that back at a different angle.
Oh no, it's over, Shroud.
All this build up, face to face with your father's killer, and you come in here with that lame shit?
Where the fuck is Shroud?
He'll be here in a bit. Oh, hey! After our conversation, I asked him about your dad. Fun little tidbit. He was very well hydrated. Turns out right after Shroud shot him in the chest, your dad pissed his pants. Bet you didn't know that, huh? So, after that bullet tore through his insides, he still had enough time to know how absolutely fucked he was and just pissed himself like a little bitch. It was like so much piss. Because your dad was wearing
Je le laisse un peu
shorts,
parler, hein.
so
Hey.
it just kept...
I get it. Can we just skip to the part where you reveal your bullshit superpower so we can fight for real?
Le jeu est hyper beau par contre. Hein. Censure désactivée, ouais.
Cool dick.
Ouais.
So you got some kind of clever supervillain there?
You can call me toxic.
Bro, that works on so many levels for you.
Yeah, no shit. That's the point.
Du coup, on a pu voir son sexe.
Shroud's augments are pretty good.
Merci la
when
non-censure.
normies like you use them. When you put them on someone who already has powers, fucking chef's kiss.
Je suis trop nul. Je sais pas si ça fait vraiment échouer si je rate. Mais je suis ridicule. Je comprends pas les timings avec leurs couleurs. Ok. Après, est-ce que ça a de l'impact? Ça se trouve, c'est que immersif. Hein. Ça pouvait être désactivé.
Figures.
Ok, je comprends les couleurs. Un vrai film par contre. Hein. Ouais, je pense qu'il faut que je le désactive après. En vrai, ça me fait chier de devoir le cliquer. C'est trop relou. C'est un vrai film par contre. Hein. On est devant la petite série quoi.
What do you got left on them shields? I said 40%, but Boss Man says you're down to 28. And he is not wrong about these things.
28. Putain, le type est chaud.
Good news, buddy. Shroud says he just wants the Astral Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
System check. Calculate the damage per second hitting shields. Then tell me how many seconds I need to divert Astral Pulse energy to rocket boosters.
12.89 seconds of damage before critical.
Oh hey, Boss Man says if you're planning on diverting pulse power to the boosters, it won't work. This is a limited time offer, dude. What's up? You were so fucking popular earlier.
You're bluffing.
Tu bluffes, mec.
I don't give a fuck, okay? I'm just the messenger here. Said you're not calculating that shit stuck to your leg, dumbass.
Fuck it.
Hey, great! All go to plan. Now get out of there, babe.
Come on!
Wouh! Spectre. Mon pire ennemi.
Yeah! Status.
Pulse status stable. Foreign device detected.
Tintin. Ça ne s'arrête jamais par contre.
Warning. Warning.
C'est le Cinoche. En plein cinéma.
It was just over 4 months ago that images like this were recorded across the Southland. Videos flooded social media and our newsroom, showing what many thought to be the death of Mecha Man. Again. For nearly 50 years, a Mecha Man has protected Los Angeles. Built by an ordinary civilian with no superpowers. This first suit was dubbed by some fans as Mecha Man Prime. 3 generations of pilot, their identities kept secret, have given everything to protect this community, including their lives.
Non mais c'est
After
vrai
the
que
tragic passing of Prime, the next Mecha
il
Man,
n'est pas assailli
known
quoi
as
par l'action.
Astro, teamed up with a star-studded superhero group known as the Brave Brigade, leading to an unprecedented period of peace in the Southland. After years of loyal service, tragedy struck again when Shroud, a former Brave Brigade member turned villain,
Spectre.
killed the pilot of Mecha Man in cold blood. But yet again, as hope was lost, a 3rd generation of Mecha Man emerged. A Mecha Man for the modern era. A bulwark against organized crime in the greater Los Angeles area. Until today. Earlier today, Mecha Man broke his silence and addressed the media.
There's been a lot of speculation about my health and the state of the Mecha Man suit, and I'm here to put that speculation to rest. The suit has been damaged beyond my ability to repair, so I will be stepping back from superhero work, effective immediately.
Does this mean you're finished?
Can you repair
Ouais.
yourself?
For Mecha Man.
Does this mean your career is over?
Badly were you hurt?
One at a time, please.
Ashley Rhiness, San Pedro Daily, do you have anything to say to your fans? The public outpouring.
J'ai
of
pas
visuals,
c'est horrible de pas
a
avoir le
lot of
temps.
them were worried you wouldn't wake up.
J'ai fait de mon mieux.
I suppose I want them to know I did my best. I worked as long as I could, as hard as I could, and that's all anyone can do. Next question.
Chris Stratton, Torrance Tribune. Does this mean you're retiring as Mecha Man? Word on the street is you're donezo.
Finito Pippo.
Are you 100 years old? Why are you talking like that?
Answer the question, buddy boy. Are you retiring? My readers need the skinny, and I aim to deliver. Let's get it on the record.
Peut dire ça.
Well, I don't have a suit
la
and I
fin de
don't
ma
have any
carrière.
superpowers, so yeah, short of a miracle, pretty much.
Is pretty much the same as definitively?
Pretty much is the same as pretty much, buddy boy.
Buddy
Just
boy.
one more, please. I gotta get back to, just one more. Preferably someone from the Century.
Charles Kingsley, South Bay Signal. So, Shroud kills your father, goes to jail 15 years, breaks out, and immediately dupes you into a trap where he destroys the Mecha Man suit and puts you in a coma for months.
I didn't hear a question in there.
Two-parter. First, why didn't Shroud kill you? You haven't been conscious for months. It'd be easy money taking you out.
Okay, Shroud wanted the Astral Pulse and Mecha Man gone. He got both. I'm not sure I mattered much.
Right, you're unimportant. Which leads me to my next question. Most heroes avenge their family. You did the opposite. You killed their legacy. How
Oh, il est
disappointed
pas
would
cool,
your
hein.
dad be if he were here right now? Your father, your grandfather. They must be rolling over in their graves.
Je vais répondre.
I think he'd be proud, because I'm alive.
C'est des bons mots.
Which, as you so sensitively pointed out, he isn't. I think he knows that I sacrificed everything and that I did my best. Being Mecha Man, protecting my community, was the greatest honor I'll ever have. Now I have to live knowing that. Thank you for coming.
Allez, 3 questions et on remballe. J'ai mieux à faire.
Up next, is Mecha Man a mecha?
Oh là là, mais personne n'écoute.
Yeah, I mean, it seemed like it'd be better if he died than be a mecha coward, you know? What kind of example is he setting? Stay tuned to find out.
La ville est à feu et à sang, c'est Mechanite. Je suis personne, hein. Je regardais.
Hey, assholes.
Oula.
Yeah, all you assholes. I was fucking watching that.
Je vais me faire péter la gueule.
I'll handle this idiot. Keep loading. We're out of here in 30. And who the fuck are you?
Yeah, you. Go fucking hobo ranger? Who the fuck are you?
Honnêtement, je sais plus trop. Ah mais putain, il répond pas à ce que je veux. Faut vraiment que j'enlève, hein. J'ai envie d'avoir le temps.
Shit, okay, that's my suit.
Wow, you're gonna be wishing you had it right now.
Ah, si, je suis mort.
Whatever the case, I'm enough to deal with a pack of fucking Skittles idiots like you.
God damn it. Look, you're hurt. You're not thinking straight. You don't want to fight someone who knows which hand every punch is coming from.
Point gauche. Bam. Oh là, oh là, oh là. Ah ouais. Oh là là. C'est horrible.
What the?
Ah, ok.
That guy I threw, he landed on the roof, right?
All good.
Phew. Hi, I'm Blonde Blazer. I work over at Superhero Dispatch Network.
Hey, hi, yeah. I know who you are. You're like famous.
Oh, I don't know about that. I'm just a corporate hero for hire. You're the real deal. You're the famous one.
Right, I don't think infamous is the same as famous, but...
Oh god, your arm.
Ah, fuck. Oh yeah, that's gross.
Yeah, you look like some kind of mime DJ. Let me see it. I'll help you. Usually dislocates the other way.
Non, je suis indépendant.
It's fine. No,
Je suis
it's
complètement
fine.
indépendant.
Don't worry, I can do it myself. Fuck yeah. That's... Oh. Okay, yeah, thank you.
One of them is on that roof.
Je sais pas si dans la vraie vie tu peux faire ça. C'est un peu dégueu en vrai.
You
Bam.
look like you could use a drink.
What makes you say that?
C'est une petite love story.
I didn't even realize it.
Yeah, well, you know what? They can taste the rainbow in jail.
What do you mean? Like different colored dicks?
Mais différentes couleurs de bite. C'est à ça que tu fais allusion?
Sorry.
I actually didn't know what I meant, but you know what? It should have been that.
I'm a little buzzed.
Pourquoi dire ça?
I think Busy's rubbing off on me.
Who?
Someone I work with. It's... yeah.
Impressionnant. Les dialogues sont pas non plus pour l'instant.
Was impressive.
Oh.
Faut se mettre dedans, quoi.
Don't worry about keeping up. Something to do with the powers. It takes a lot for me to feel anything.
What a sad sentence.
Hey, you should give yourself more credit. To do what you did for as long as you did, especially without superpowers.
Not true. What do you call this?
I can fix that one for you too.
No thanks, I like this one.
Thank you. So, how did you afford all that? You must have spent hundreds of thousands.
Millions. So you'll understand when the check comes.
You're serious? Millions.
Yeah, I basically burned through my entire inheritance keeping it going the last couple of
Je
years.
suis flou de baiser par contre, non?
Tape and sheer
Ou c'est que mon écran droite qui est pas top? Pourtant j'ai la cam. Hein.
Why did you do it?
Do what?
Sacrifice everything to be a superhero to the point of financial...
Ruin?
I was gonna say hardship, but ruin was the first word that came to mind, yeah. You must be completely broke at this point.
Jamais été mon prochain.
I don't know. I guess I just like helping people.
So, are you drunk yet or what?
Ok, ok. À droite, je me vois flou,
Yeah,
mais...
yeah, I should probably be switching to water.
Good, because I was hoping after some drinks to loosen you up, I could learn a little more about you. And, if all that went well,
Oh là là, ils vont
present
baiser.
you with a proposition.
C'est pas possible.
A proposition?
En plus, la censure est tombée.
I'm just trying to figure out if this is a fit or not, you know? Then it's just a matter of picking the right
Rien
one.
d'obscène, j'espère.
Okay. Hopefully it's nothing too scandalous.
That's actually
Oh,
water.
c'est dégueulasse.
God, this is like pure alcohol.
It's not like alcohol, it is alcohol. I know because you spit it directly into my open mouth. That's water. That, see how it has ice in it?
You drink hard liquor from a pint glass?
Actually, I usually just drink it straight from the bottle,
On lui
but
crache la
I
gueule.
thought that would be
La discussion continue de chill.
I'm gonna go clean up.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. I will be right back.
Plein de bave.
What are you doing?
Hey, bitch! Hey, I'm talking to you, bitch.
Alright, just so you know, I only turned around because someone yelled, not because I'm a bitch or anything.
Don't you watch the news? This is a superhero bar.
Oh, wow, are you a superhero? That's so cool. Is this your power? You're like, tell people obvious shit guy?
Well, you're really going to act like you don't remember me.
Wait, it's coming back to me. Hold on. Yeah, it's coming back to me. Oh, wait. I know it.
Captain Crinière
You know
humide.
what? You are Mr. Wet Ponytail. Your superpower is then obviously your ponytail, which, aside from being disgusting, has the ability to never not be wet. In battle, you whip it around, and anyone it touches
fucking kills himself.
Shit. That is... damn.
You good?
Sorry, I choked on my spit.
No, like a bitch. I control the fire.
The fire?
And the flame. And my skin does not burn. I am Flambe. And you...
Wait, oh shit, I do remember you. You're that shitty villain I busted up.
Not anymore, Mecha Dick. As I
Mecamaboule.
just said, I am Flambe, a real superhero. And you are not Mecha Man anymore. So, you need to get the fuck out of here. Now, we can do this the easy way.
De l'eau.
There. Easy way. You're gonna hit me now, right?
I've been waiting a long time for this.
Tout le monde est très méchant et violent.
Holy shit! What song is that?
Your mouth. It's whistling. Come on, we should get you to a hospital.
No, Coop! Fucking guy needs a dentist. I've got it on ice. Should be able to reattach it.
Teeth don't work that way. You're thinking of fingers and dicks. You know what? Give it a shot.
Hey, Mecha Dick, get the fuck out of here.
I get it. Can you just tell Blazer I'm outside?
Ow!
Relax. I'm leaving.
Oh non, c'est triste. Ah non, ok.
Hey, I couldn't find you.
It's cool. I was just admiring the art on this dumpster. Can't tell why anyone would put those words together. Why are you holding drinks?
Nightcap?
You're in trouble.
Actually, according to the bartender, that's exactly what you are. What happened in there? I walk out and the bartender's pissed. The whole energy is awkward. And I almost rolled the heck out of my ankle on this slippery floor.
Un petit peu trébuché.
Yeah, it's crazy. This guy, he just fell down.
A guy fell down.
Yeah? Does that not sound...
Est-ce qu'il y aura du gameplay à un moment?
Hold these. I know a place.
Enfin, je trouve ça extraordinaire. Pour l'instant, je suis complètement pris dedans,
It's
mais...
a little out there. Easier if we fly.
Est-ce que c'était fort? Est-ce qu'on va jouer? Ou est-ce que c'est cinéma? C'est beau en tout cas. La musique est cool. Ce sont de vraies questions. Ok. Enfin, je dis pas là, j'adore. Hein.
I actually thought you were taking us to sit on it.
Hmm? Oh yeah, that would have been cool. Oh no, yeah, this is better because you can see it, and it looks like there's a couple up there already. So.
Je vais m'excuser de lui avoir
I know I
craché le
shouldn't
visage.
bring it up because
C'était
it's
pas cool du
mortifying
tout.
for the both of us, but I am seriously sorry about the
C'est
whole
très gênant.
spitting thing.
Yeah, that's usually like a second date kind of thing with me.
C'est de la drague.
I'm joking. This is not a date.
No, totally. Yeah, I was thinking about something else.
En
but
français, je suis
yeah.
curieux de voir
Thanks.
comment ça rendrait.
Thank you. Again.
Don't you worry about it, Robert Robertson.
Ça va être trop sympa en français.
How do you know my name?
Oops.
What's going on?
Okay, I'll tell you. But only after you tell me how you ended up with a name like that.
Oh, you mean a name like Robert Robertson III?
The third? 3 times this happened?
There was Grandpa Bobby, then my dad, who I called Dad, but everyone else called Robbie, and then me, Robert, because I wanted to be taken seriously.
Family tradition.
In more ways than one. Gramps was the first Mecha Man. He died in the suit before I was born. Dad was killed fighting Shroud. That's when I took over. There was a little inheritance and the life insurance money.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize.
Just your
La
run-of-the-mill sad superhero origin story. The family tradition, if there is one, is dying in that suit. Which I guess I don't have to worry about anymore. What is it?
I'm not quite drunk enough to share my origin story just yet. But remind me to tell you someday.
Definitely.
J'espère que ça va être censuré. Hein.
We can work with this.
Coucou King Johnny Lot. Oula. J'avais de rien faire. Je me sens très mal à l'aise. Ah, c'est un peu gênant du coup. C'est cringe.
Sorry, I'm actually here with a purpose.
Oui, ça va, je viens de me cringe moi-même par ce choix.
The way I went about things tonight. I'm sorry.
Ça m'a gêné
It
moi-même.
was all a
C'est
little
horrible.
loose, a little unprofessional.
Unprofessional? I'm not sure that applies to this.
L'ambiance
I'm actually
est
here on
glaciale.
official business.
C'est horrible.
Your name, the proposition I mentioned right before you spit
Ah,
in my
on
mouth.
reste potes.
Still mortified about that.
It's fine. Do you remember a superhero named Trackstar?
Remember, of course.
Allez,
It's
c'est
like
pas grave.
family.
On a une
That I
belle
haven't
relation
talked to in
d'amitié.
a while, but what about him?
I work with him at SDN. He recommended you. Mentioned that he worked with your father.
Yeah, he was the youngest member of the Brave Brigade, so he was kind of my babysitter for a while.
Mais d'un côté, ça a un peu détendu l'ambiance. Là, je sens qu'on est moins stressé. Il y a moins cette pression à devoir s'embrasser. Et à ce qu'il se passe un truc. C'est
I
plus
would
sain.
like to make you an offer. In exchange
Ils ont le
for
sourire, hein.
dispatching and mentoring some of our rookie heroes, SDN can make you Mecha Man again. But this time with all the
Non, c'est bien.
resources that a
C'est ce qu'il
company as
fallait.
big as ours has at their disposal. No more paying out of pocket for repairs. Support staff, the whole shebang.
Attends, quoi? Ah!
So
Ouais, c'est bon, je les mets, ça se
this
va bien,
was
tout va bien.
like some sort of interview?
I was worried that you might be
Crazy?
Non, c'est bon, là, on est
damaged,
hyper proches tous les deux, en
unfit,
fait. Hein.
batshit, dipshit, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. It's a big investment. It'll take considerable time and money to get the suit repaired and the missing pieces replaced. Plenty of time to learn how to dispatch and level up some of the heroes on our roster. your experience.
En vrai, c'est presque
work
plus
ethic,
cringe de les faire s'embrasser. Hein.
perspective. It's all invaluable. Share it, Robert. You have a lot left to give.
J'ai envie de commencer. Moi, il me
So when
tente
do
bien
we
ce
get
poste.
started?
Ouais, ça me tente bien.
Wait, so you want me dispatching? What's that even mean?
Oh, right. I was supposed to test you at the bar. Here.
The drunk people shouldn't be throwing things at drunk people.
Noted.
Am I waiting or are you waiting? What's going
It
on?
was supposed to open up when I threw it to you. Well, okay, there. Pop it on. This is part of the assessment. And don't move too much in there. You're sitting on the edge of the billboard.
Ok.
Greetings and welcome to this training simulation. We may be superheroes, but we're nothing without SDN's
SDH.
real hero, the Dispatcher. So, Dispatcher, where do we start?
Ok.
Well, it appears we've got our first call from a subscriber.
I saw some scary, suspicious men last night leaving the old movie theater.
You'll receive
C'est louche.
requirements to help you determine which heroes to send.
Ok.
Such an array of brave heroes to choose from. How? This graph will show you what a hero does well and not so well.
Ouais.
A hero with a knack for vigor and combat looks right for the job.
Vigoureux et bagarreur.
That sounds like me, Phenomenon.
Moi, j'avais joué à Clover Pit King Johnny Lot. Et j'ai rejoué ce matin, mais sans stream. En vrai, le jeu est très drôle. Hein. Vraiment.
Now that at least
J'aime
one
beaucoup.
hero is being dispatched, it's time to get to work.
Ouais. Envoyé.
A wise choice. I will now return to SDN.
Mhm.
When a hero returns to SDN, they'll need some much-needed
Ça a l'air
R&R.
insane.
That stands for...
Il se repose et
Don't
puis après,
forget
il
to
est prêt à
review your
repartir, quoi.
hero's performance. They won't be sent out again until you do.
C'est ça.
On SDN's state-of-the-art graph, we can see an analysis of what skills the call required.
Ouais, il est pas cher en plus, Clover Pit. Hein.
Let's
Et
see
il y a
how
tellement d'heures
well
de
I
jeu, je
did
pense,
after
dessus que
responding to that
tu peux pas trop te
caller's,
tromper.
well, call. There's no such thing as a perfect fit.
Ouais, ok,
The
non,
more
ouais.
that my skills align with the needs of the job, the more likely I am to succeed.
Hmm.
Organized
Impeccable.
criminals, often led by figurehead supervillains, are the scourge of Southern California. We work tirelessly to root them out.
Apparemment, il y aurait une planque de méchants sur le campus. Enquête sur la planque de méchants qui aurait été découverte à l'université. Interpréter les indices pour démasquer les mystérieux criminels. Combat, intelligence, charisme, mobilité, vigueur. Il me faut beaucoup d'intelligence pour interpréter ces résultats. C'est la savante que je vais envoyer.
Make history.
Vas-y. Ah, elle fait tout, elle. Ah non, ça c'est mes deux trucs réunis. J'envoie la savante.
Knowledge is power.
Pas accéléré. C'est long. Ok. Puis elle se repose. Je peux peut-être cliquer là avant, ouais. Alors. Ah. Ok.
Effortless excellence.
Du coup, faut que j'arrive à deviner un peu ce dont il y a besoin. Et là, fallait de la mobilité et de la vigueur aussi. Le musée a besoin d'un intervenant sur son expo sur les super-héros de la région. Un public enthousiaste. Ça a l'air important. Donc, il faut du charisme peut-être. Partager son expérience unique en tant que super-héros. Mobilité, charisme, intelligence, combat. Intelligence et charisme. Vigueur, ça doit être la résistance. Qui est le plus charismatique? C'est le beau-parleur le plus charismatique.
Flattery will get you everywhere.
Je pourrais en envoyer 2, mais... En vrai, je pourrais en envoyer 2, rien que pour tester, en vrai. Je pense qu'il faut aussi de l'intelligence. Donc je pourrais réenvoyer la savante.
Smart choice.
Puis c'est parti, quoi. Allez.
If these streets could talk.
One of your heroes needs you.
Ouais,
As
pourquoi?
their leader, your heroes will look to you. Make choices and follow where they lead.
Le discours préparé par le SDH n'arrive pas à captiver l'audience, on va devoir l'improviser. Des pas dedans, ça me paraît bien gaze. Un point culture générale, ça me paraît bien gaze aussi. Des blagues. Les blagues, c'est toujours bien les blagues. C'est cool.
These choices need the right skill. Remember.
Tu vois pourquoi je vois pas tout? Enfin, en fait, il fallait vraiment du charisme, quoi. Et rien d'autre que du charisme, j'imagine. Vite. Allez, Diablo.
As if traffic in this city was not bad enough.
Speaking of traffic and going places,
Les accabler en les attaquant sans relâche.
Of course. PTO accrues at a regular rate over time. Use it however
Mobilité.
you like, as long as you discuss your schedule with your manager well in advance.
What the fuck is a PTO?
Mobilité et vigueur, j'imagine. Je crois que c'était eux, mais... Ah, ouais, mobilité c'est bien. J'en mets 2 à chaque fois. C'est peut-être du troll. Ah ouais, tant qu'il commence à y avoir plusieurs affaires. Le centre-ville est attaqué. Mais je n'ai plus de héros, donc c'est une catastrophe. Il faut du combat hein, pour enfin, encaisser les coups, donc il fallait de la vigueur. Parce que je n'ai plus du tout. Vu que j'en ai envoyé 2 à chaque fois. Lui, il est plutôt équilibré. Donc bon.
The diabolical supervillain El Diablo is attacking Los Angeles General.
Oh no. It's one of my arch nemesis.
Ah, t'es les méchants.
El Diablo. That means the Diablo in Spanish.
Huh, he must have been using the convoy ambush as a distraction.
And to attack helpless hospital people.
Je n'ai plus de héros là, de toute façon envoyé.
Craven bastard.
Speaking
Ah,
of
c'était bon ou pas?
hospitals, did you know SDN offers a robust benefits package for all full-time employees?
That's phenomenal.
Parfait. Petit repos. Ça, je peux tempo un peu peut-être. Hein. Même si je vais pas avoir tout le temps du
SDN
monde.
values work-life balance. When the bell rings, your shift will...
Ça alors, ça s'est bien passé? Ça va bien se passer. Oui. Ok. Là, faut que je fasse un truc.
Sometimes a hero can use their talents to tip the scales.
Ouais, une bonne raclée.
They are superheroes after all.
Une bonne raclée.
El Diablo's threat has been
Impeccable.
eliminated. The children are safe and sound.
J'attends un peu qu'il soit de retour et qu'il se repose. Allez.
I need help getting to my doctor's appointment.
Allez, rendez-vous médical. Aider la dame âgée à traverser la rue, animer, se dépêcher afin qu'elle puisse honorer son rendez-vous médical. Est-ce que j'ai quelqu'un de rapide? C'est Pom Pom qui est rapide. Vas-y.
Loud and clear. Moving out.
J'attends qu'il se repose, les deux loustiques. Allez. On nous tient en otage. Envoyez quelqu'un, je vous en prie.
Send help, please.
Convaincre
You
les
can
sbires de
find
relâcher les
suggestions
innocents.
on how to
Les
handle
forcer à se
hostage
rendre.
situations on page 234 of SDN's Guide to Dispatching.
Je parle beaucoup et j'entends pas trop. Enfin, je capte pas trop ce qu'ils disent en haut, mais je pense que c'est un peu pas si important. Les convaincre, il me faut un beau parleur.
For you, baby, anything.
Et je peux aussi les forcer à se rendre. Donc je peux aussi envoyer... Ouah, lui, hein, de toute façon. Et je garde Equilibrium pour la suite. Je garde Equilibrium au cas où, pour cette dernière là. J'ai besoin de faire ça? Non, ça c'est quelqu'un qui fait sa mission. De toute façon, ça j'envoie. Il y a rien qui va être dispo de nouveau. Ça va être chaud là. Résister aux attaques, ça c'est bien, j'ai Colossea. Vaincre et capturer. Là j'envoie toi et toi. Comme ça on essaye de vaincre et de résister. Il m'en aurait fallu beaucoup là. Parce qu'il il faut poursuivre aussi. J'envoie les 3, en vrai, il a dit que c'était bientôt la pause.
Oh, I see you have a keen mind.
Allez. J'envoie les 3. Ah oui, j'ai les résultats à checker. Enfin, je sais pas si c'est nécessaire, mais... Ouais, c'était bon dans tous les cas. S'il me met la croix, de toute façon, c'est que c'est bon dans tous les cas, j'imagine. La coche. Et hop.
SDN solves all problems, big and small. We never
Ah, pour l'instant, je trouve que ça se fait, quoi.
particularly the elderly.
Speaking of retirement,
l'instant, ça se fait.
quick question. Phenomenon, does SDN offer 401k matching?
Papa qui revient, tout le monde qui revient. Impeccable.
Your HR representative will have all the details. Our shift is done now. It is time for lunch.
We couldn't have done it without you, dispatcher.
La ville est complètement sous contrôle.
I'm going to enhance my break time with some of the snack offerings in our break room vending machines.
Great idea. Thank you again, dispatcher. I hope to be seeing a lot more.
Restez
Goodbye
phénoménal.
for now, and don't forget to be phenomenal.
Did he just say phenomenal? Well, looks like I'm great at
Okay.
this, so that's
Let's
gonna
go.
be bad for your negotiating position. Expect a lengthy...
Oh non, je l'ai pourtant repoussé.
Did I drool on you?
On est déjà beaucoup trop proches, ça me met un peu
Well,
mal à
you see
l'aise.
why we thought of, well, why Trackstar thought of you.
It makes sense, yeah.
Ouais, abusé qu'elle s'endorme sur moi, genre. J'ai littéralement repoussé son baiser et hop
Meet me
là.
at the SDN
Abusé.
offices tomorrow. I'm not done saving you yet.
Is there a ladder, or...
Sympa la petite blague de fin.
Sorry I'm late.
Non mais c'était placé quoi. Je l'ai repoussé. C'est quand même pas rien de se mettre sur l'épaule de quelqu'un. Bref. Bref. Je vais lui donner quelques céréales, hein. C'est une dure journée là qui vient de se passer. Voilà. Important.
I met a nice lady. She wants to help us out.
Ok. Le chien, on n'a pas encore eu son nom, mais je pense qu'on pourrait l'appeler. On pourrait l'appeler Croquette ou Ouf. Fin du jeu. Wow, putain, c'était bien en vrai. Et puis pour 25 balles, en vrai, c'est. Enfin, les graphismes sont beaux, quoi. On passe un bon moment. Merci. Merci de la reco, du coup, Chamallow. C'est grave cool, en vrai. Grave cool, ta reco. Ça fait trop rire que ça soit littéralement fini, là. Et ben, on remballe. Ah, mais oui, putain, c'est les pourcentages, c'est trop intéressant. 46% des joueurs. Et vous? Ah, ok. Tu disais 3%, Chamallow abuse. 46% quand même, on est peu à ne pas avoir accepté le baiser. Par contre, j'ai l'impression que le son est fort de baiser là. C'est comment par rapport à ma voix? J'ai l'impression de devoir hurler. Ça j'ai bien fail. Ok. Énorme. 50-50. Oh, 28 seulement. On dit craigneur humide. Je suis soit hyper original, soit hyper cringe.